this video will guide you through how to delete friends in Fortnite. If you're looking for a way to delete your friends that you've added on Fortnite game, then here's how you can do it. First things first, open your Fortnite game on your PC. After you end up in this page, click on the menu bar at the top left and select the Friends tab. Once you're inside, you'll be able to see the list of friends that you've added in the game. Click on the person's profile and click on More option. Now select Remove Friend and click Yes in the pop-up. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to remove or delete a friend in Fortnite. That is how easy it is. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.